Every state has a unique lemon law, but most follow the same pattern of having to prove that the vehicle has defects that substantially impair a vehicle's use, value, or safety, and it has to be subjected to an unreasonable number of repair attempts. In North Carolina, usually we look for at least 3 or 4 visits for the same problem, or at least 20 business days out of service within a 1-year period of the warranty. Some other states require fewer visits, but others also have heightened requirements for the number of days out of service. North Carolina, when compared to other states, has a fairly average strength lemon law.